Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we review the latest gadgets and gizmos on the top 5 best electric skateboards of 2024. Today, we'll explore cutting-edge designs and breakthrough technologies that are revolutionizing urban mobility. Stay tuned until the end, as we reveal an exclusive sneak peek at a game-changing skateboard that's set to hit the streets soon. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The WhiteFang Skateboards for Beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to add a new board to your collection, stick around as we dive into the details of this complete skateboard. Solid, durable. First up, let's talk about durability. The WhiteFang skateboard is built with 7 layers of Canadian maple, making it both tough and lightweight. It's got a maximum load weight of 330 pounds and is fitted with 5-inch magnesium alloy trucks. This board is a reliable choice for both beginners and seasoned skaters. Smooth, speedy. Now, onto the ride. This board promises a smooth experience with its 52mm, 95 high rebound PU wheels and ABC 9 precision bearings. The 95 high rebound PU bushing means you'll get a quick response from the ground, making it ideal for various terrains, from skate parks to rougher patches. Ensuring the pattern stays vibrant for longer. No assembly required, and the best part? It comes fully assembled. That's right, no fiddling with parts or tools. This 31.75-inch by 7.88-inch professional skateboard is ready to hit the streets, or ramps, straight out of the box, saving you time and hassle. Conclusion: in the WhiteFang skateboard for beginners is a solid, versatile, and stylish option for anyone looking to get into skateboarding or improve their skills. Its build quality, design, and ready-to-go convenience make it a standout choice. So, what are you waiting for? Grab one and let the good times roll. Number 4. The Minority 32-inch Maple Skateboard, a board that promises to be your best buddy for tricks, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Let's kickflip into the details. Solid build. The Minority Skateboard is a solid piece of work with its 100% maple deck. The 7-ply hard rock maple is cold-pressed into a 32x 8-inch deck, offering a sturdy platform that supports up to 220 pounds. Its mediate concave design is just what you need for nailing those tricks. Strengthen the ride. Strength is key, and this board doesn't disappoint. The 5-inch trucks are cast from genuine aluminum alloy, paired with a carbon steel kingpin and 78A high rebound PU bushing. This combo ensures your ride is both stable and responsive. Speed on wheels. When it comes to speed, the Minority doesn't lag. The ABC 9 precision bearings, made from chrome steel, team up with 52mm 102 PU wheels to give you the velocity you need. Remember, in skateboarding, fast speed is half the success for tricks. Smooth maneuvers. Cutting corners has never been smoother. The board has aced maneuverability tests on streets, ramps, and pools. So, whether you're grinding rails or dropping into bowls, the Minority skateboard has got your back. Style that stands out. Last but not least, let's talk style. With graphics that span from trendy to vintage, this skateboard isn't just about performance, it's also a statement piece. It's the kind of board that makes an ideal gift for any skater. Conclusion: to wrap it up, the Minority 32-inch Maple Skateboard is a versatile, strong, and stylish choice for anyone looking to enhance their skateboarding experience. Whether you're doing ollies in the park or flips in the halfpipe, this board is designed to support your skate journey. Ride on and skate safe. Number 3. The Magneto 40-inch Kicktail Cruiser Longboard. So, grab your helmets, and let's roll into this review. Design aesthetics born from the surf. Designed by skaters in sunny Southern California, this board is a nod to the origins of longboarding. With design influences from local surf culture and natural materials, it's a piece that lets its simple yet stunning aesthetics do the talking. Versatility on wheels. Cruise control. The 44-inch deck with kicktails isn't just about looks, it's about versatility. Whether you're cruising downtown or carving up the streets, this board adapts to your style, making every ride a unique experience. Ride quality. Smooth sailing. Those 70mm wheels are not just for show. Made with a 78A soft urethane, they promise a buttery smooth ride on even the roughest roads, giving you grip and grace as you glide. Construction built to last. Quality is key, and this board doesn't disappoint. With a bamboo veneer and maple core, it's as sturdy as it is beautiful. The sand grit finish means you can forget about grip tape and just enjoy the ride. Adventures await. Skate everywhere. This isn't just a skateboard, it's your ticket to adventure. Parks, beaches, or urban jungles, this board is ready for it all. Tired of the same old commute? Swap out those roller skates for this beauty and skate your way to fun. Conclusion. In the Magneto Kicktail Cruiser is more than just a skateboard, it's a statement. It's durable, versatile, and most importantly, it's a whole lot of fun. Whether you're a seasoned skater or just starting, this board is sure to bring a smile to your face. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start cruising. And remember, stay stoked and skate on. Number 2. The CAROMA 350W Electric Skateboard, a sleek ride that promises to electrify your skateboarding experience. So, let's kick off and see if this board can carve up the streets as well as it claims. Electric skateboard for beginners. Are you new to the e-skate world or hunting for the perfect gift? The CAROMA H2S is your go-to. It's a breeze to handle, making it a top pick for beginners and pros alike. Plus, it's super portable, so you can take your ride anywhere. Powerful 350W motor. Upgraded reliable lithium battery. This board's heart is a 350W motor paired with a reliable lithium battery. With 3 speed modes, it hits a zippy 12.4 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising to school or zipping across town, its 8-mile range has got you covered. Efficient wireless remote control. Say goodbye to pushing and hello to the H2S's remote control. It's the key to effortless riding, with a 14M range and handy battery indicators. Durable PU wheels. The CAROMA's 72mm PU wheels are built tough for city streets. They promise a ride that's not just durable but also as smooth as butter. Ready for the smoothest e-skate journey? This board delivers. Sturdy 7-ply maple. Crafted from 7-ply maple, this board can support up to 220 pounds. It's designed for stability at any speed, ensuring a ride that's both smooth and secure. So, step on with confidence. Exceptional customer service. With UL 2272 certification and a 365-day warranty, CAROMA's customer service is as solid as their boards. Any hiccups with the battery or accessories? They've got you covered with quick replacements. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the CAROMA H2S electric skateboard is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of electric skateboarding. It's user-friendly, durable, and backed by great service. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned rider. Number 1. The WhiteFang electric skateboard, a sleek and powerful ride that promises to electrify your skateboarding experience. So, let's kick off and see if it lives up to the hype. Design build boldly built. The WhiteFang electric skateboard isn't just about looks, it's crafted for night riders. With a built-in battery and smart LED lamp, it displays exclusive science fiction images, making it a stylish yet safe choice for those post-sunset adventures. Performance power at your feet. This board boasts a UL 2272 certified 36V 2500 mAh lithium battery, hitting a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour. With a range of 6.8 to 7.6 miles on a 2-hour charge, it's perfect for riders 12 and up, ready to conquer the streets, but not in the rain. Portability. Light, sturdy, weighing just 11 pounds with a 27.56-inch deck, this electric skateboard is portable yet durable. Made from premium, waterproof PP material, it supports up to 200 pounds. Plus, you can ride it like a regular board when the power's off, giving you the best of both worlds. Conclusion. In the WhiteFang electric skateboard is a solid, versatile choice for the modern skater. Whether you're commuting or just cruising, it offers a blend of safety, performance, and convenience. Remember, always wear protective gear and happy skating. Catch you on the next review. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.